everyone, welcome to my mother's kitchen. So we're going to make pigtails now, and for that we're going to need a pound to a pound and a half of pigtails. We're also going to need a pound of pig kidneys, a third cup of sliced ginger, a third cup of bucky, and about 6 sticks of this, which is called fong ong, and usually these two things go together. So bucky, fong ong, ginger, and we've got a third cup here of gidu. It looks like a goji berry, and I'm not sure, it might just be a goji berry, but in Chinese it's a gidu. We're gonna start preparing for the kidneys. So basically we're just cutting it into bite-sized pieces. As long as you don't include that middle part, because it tends to really affect the flavor. The kidney is not just for flavor, you eat that as well. So that's why you cut it in the smaller pieces. So we're gonna use whiskey to marinate the kidneys beforehand. So we've got some Ballantines here, but I'm sure you can use any kind of whiskey. So basically just enough to coat it for a marinade. Mom says smell it.
She smell good.
Smells like whiskey. Smells good. So we're gonna need a clay pot for the pigtails as well. And this one's a little bit bigger, and this one we do have a lid for. So we're just getting ready to prepare all the ingredients to put into the pot. Ginger, bucky, and fong ong, and then the dried, what look like goji berries. I'm going to add the pigtails to the clay pot. I'm cooking this the way my mom cooks it. So 3 bowls of boiled water. 1 bowl is about 1 cup. That's 2. And that's 3. And 1 bowl of cooking wine. Oh, good, sweet honey. When I went to a Chinese medicine pharmacy in Chinatown, this is how they give instructions. It's by the bowl and not by the cup. So now we're going to place the clay pot into this larger pot until the water goes about halfway up the bowl. We're going to cover that, and the lid for this is right here. Okay, so we're going to put it on high until it boils. Yeah, when it boils, we're going to turn it down to medium. We're going to let it go for 2個鐘頭, right? We're going to let it go for 2 hours. And after 2 hours, we're going to add the kidneys that are marinating in the whiskey right now. And then it's going to go for 1 more hour. Yeah, so then 1 more hour after that.
Oh, okay. Okay. So now we're going to add the pork kidneys after 2 hours, because the tails take a lot longer to cook down. And give that a bit of a stir. Put the lid back on. And we go for 1 more hour.
mình đi ao có sử dụng lại là mấy cái người cũng cuốn mà anh ấy chỉ in lọc cái ông đây niệm phải đây họ phô cứ
So you're gonna turn the heat up a little bit.
mình đi ao có thiếu cái gì đâu ông lại là mình bận mà
And the reason you put the towel underneath the steaming tray is so when the water boils and it bubbles that it doesn't
còn nó sử dụng mỗi lọc biểu là
it doesn't come into the dish.
để khỏi gọi lo
Something I never would have thought of. So it's been 3 hours since we've been cooking the pigtails, and now we're ready to uncover it. Ni kei hoi the goi. Turning off the heat and
wow cái lẽ hay cái lẽ này mà
She says, look how beautiful that is.
hay cái lẽ
Yeah.
hay cái lẽ
Yep.
cái này khi mỹ là
Yeah.
cái này là mỹ là
So, of course, you can eat the pigtails and eat the kidneys, but it's also really for the soup, which is really medicinal, and pigtails are actually really good for the spine, for your back. So, though I don't eat meat anymore, I won't be eating the pigtails this time, but what I will be having is the soup.
thì
So there's the bucky, right?
phòng ông
Oh, phồng ong.
khỏi nó
Bucky, phồng ong.
bác khi đó hốt là bù hì rồi
Yeah.
khỏi nó đó bù cút
Two words I heard a lot of growing up. Bucky, phồng ong.
khỏi nó đó hốt là bù
Now I know what it is.
bù dầu rồi ta cũng còn là lâu rồi đó
So when we were kids, we would have the soup, but we would also
đi chọc cái kìa
have the pigtails served up on a platter,
Just like this. Lanjon kuyang haging ay sao cut na hoya. This is what I remember eating as a kid. They're really quite tasty after they've been stewing for hours. Pigtails on a platter with toothpicks. What's not to like?
good for healthy
good for healthy, Mom says.
yeah good for healthy
Well, after all that alcohol, I guess the appropriate word is cheers. Hey, Mom? Oh.
oh good soup good
Yeah,
for
it's good.
healthy
Very concentrated flavor.
yeah